That maddening itch on a healing wound, your body is doing it on purpose. You cut your finger and it bleeds. Within hours, a scab forms. Then comes the worst part, the itch. It is relentless, maddening, and scratching it can reopen the wound. But that itch is not random. It is your immune system sending a deliberate signal. Histamine, the same chemical that makes allergies unbearable, floods the wound site to accelerate healing. Your body is literally telling you it is working. The itch means the repair is underway. The moment your skin breaks, your body launches an inflammatory response. White blood cells rush to the wound to fight bacteria. Mast cells in the surrounding tissue release histamine, which dilates blood vessels and increases blood flow to the area. This is why fresh wounds turn red and swell. The histamine also triggers nerve endings in the skin, creating that familiar itch sensation. It is the same chemical response that makes mosquito bites itch. Your body treats a healing wound and an insect bite with the same basic toolkit. As the wound heals, new skin cells grow from the edges inward. These fresh cells are more sensitive than mature skin. They respond to even the slightest stimulation, including the stretch and pull of the scab above them. Collagen fibers weave together beneath the surface, and nerve endings that were damaged during the injury begin to regenerate. These new nerves fire more easily than established ones. They misinterpret normal sensations as itching. Your skin is essentially recalibrating its own sensors. The scab itself contributes to the itch. As it dries, it contracts and pulls on the healthy skin around it. This mechanical tension stimulates the nerve endings underneath. Scabs also trap dead cells, dried blood, and bacteria underneath them. The immune system continues sending histamine to clean up this debris. So you are getting a double dose. Mechanical irritation from the shrinking scab on top, and chemical irritation from the cleanup crew underneath. This is why the itch often gets worse before it gets better. Scratching a healing wound feels satisfying because it temporarily overrides the itch signal with a pain signal. Your brain processes pain and itch through overlapping pathways, and the pain from scratching briefly drowns out the itch. But this relief is destructive. Scratching tears new collagen fibers, reopens blood vessels, and can introduce bacteria from under your fingernails. Studies show that wounds that are scratched take up to 50% longer to fully close. The itch is a test of patience, and your skin rewards you for passing it. If you found this fascinating, subscribe to Curious Science. Next time, we are exploring why we talk to ourselves.